What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a special video on this crypto called Jupiter, which has been pumping in value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, nearly 36% up, making it just over 1 cent at the moment. But it's not just over the last 24 hours that it has been pumping, it's over the last couple of days. As you can see, it's been slowly and steadily gaining value. So there's been a lot of hype and a lot of attention around this crypto, looking at, what potential does it have, how high can it go. The way it's been pumping over the last few days has been very good. So is it going to keep pumping up in value, or is it going to drop back down soon? Is it just a little pump for people to invest money into it until it drops back down in value? So essentially, I'm going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it worth investing into it right now? Should you wait for it to drop down in value, or is it just worth investing into at all, or would you rather just invest into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, in the last 24 hours, Jupiter is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, and we can see over the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 31% up in value, guys. That is just within an hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 46%. Over the week, a massive 95%. We can see it did drop in value about a week ago, but ever since about the 18th of June, it's been pumping in value and has managed to keep gaining value. Over the month, a massive 137% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 138% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.7 million in trading volume, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jupiter at the moment. We're seeing a lot of people investing, a lot of sellers as well, but as it's gaining in value, more and more people are likely to invest into it, even though it is a risky move right now, because obviously it's been pumping up so much over the last week. It can drop anytime, but people have still been buying into the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is currently valuing Jupiter at 0.006220. However, it is trading at much higher value at just about over 1 cent at the moment, so nearly double its value that is meant to be worth, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we got the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, which does not look realistic at all. The only reason why we're seeing this is because of the major increase that has taken place over the last couple of hours, and especially in the last half an hour to an hour. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. But of course, that is not the case. I'm not expecting it to keep pumping over the next 12-14 hours. I'm expecting it to take a little step back, a little breather. As always, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, most cryptos that go through a huge increase in value in a short amount of time, just like what's happened here, it has to take a little step back, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Jupiter. So I am expecting it to drop down in value potentially to about 0.012 to 0.011 over the next couple of hours before it peaks up in value again. Yes, the overall outcome, I am expecting it to be positive over the next couple of hours, but dips are always part of the process, and I'm not expecting it to go for a major bull run or a major price pump over the next few hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again looking very similar to the previous chart. The lines are looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, and again the exact same reason is because of the major increase that's taken place. However, I am expecting it to drop down in value over the coming days. So towards mid next week, we should be expecting it to jump down to around the 1 cent target, fluctuating somewhere around here. But Again, that doesn't mean we're going to be hitting red days every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect more drops in value on Jupiter over the next couple of days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more realistic. The blue line and the orange line are slanting towards the positive direction. They're not looking as steep as they were on the previous two charts. So overall, over the coming weeks, so in this case I'm talking about early August to mid-August, we should expect an overall increase in value on Jupiter, but again, nothing too crazy. It's not like it's going to be a major bull run or a major price pump or anything like that. The increase in value is going to be minimal, so do expect an overall increase in value. However, we're still about 6-7 weeks ahead of that time, so anything can happen between that time, guys. We can, any major updates or major news that come across in between that time, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So again, Bitcoin plays a major role in when it comes to cryptocurrency, guys. As you guys may know, Bitcoin pumps up in value, we're going to see most cryptos pumping as well. However, if Bitcoin drops in value, we're also going to see most cryptos dropping. So guys, what I have made is a Telegram group chat where I'll show you guys every single day on what to expect from Bitcoin, where is it heading to, positive, negative, so on and so on. And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. If you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram group chat will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this exactly include? So you're going to get put into two group chats, guys. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin to show you guys what to expect, what target is likely to hit that specific day, and overall that week as well. Is it going to be bullish or bearish week for Bitcoin, so on and so on. And also obviously giving you guys analysis on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link to that will be in the description box down below, as I mentioned earlier. So back to Jupiter. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. So we are trading in the red zone, guys, and we have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look, in November 2021 for about 7 to 8 months straight now. We've been very volatile. We've been dropping, peaking, dropping, but over the last couple of months here, we've been getting worse and worse and worse, and right now we are near the bottom of the red zone, but we are slowly starting to pick up in value. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 3 cents in target, which we are a bit too far away from. We're going to have to go at least about 250% increase for us to hit that, which I'm not expecting from Jupiter anytime soon. However, if there is an update or any major news that come across that can have a major push in a positive direction on Jupiter, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But for most of the year, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto like you guys requested. I thought, you know what, let me make a quick price prediction and update on this crypto. So here it is. If you enjoyed it, guys, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.